What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Ackoolin, and in today's video we're gonna react to TYPEWRITER and Lecture Prank by Nelk, man. Hey man, Nelk haven't been dropping shit in a minute, bro. Like, I think the last time they dropped some shit was last month or 2 months ago. But you know what I'm saying, I'm happy that them niggas are dropping their shit, bro, cause them niggas are some crazy white motherfuckers, bro. They be on that lit live shit, bro, on some real shit, bro. Like if I had some white friends, bro, in college, bro, these niggas are it, bro. You know, this is the people that I want to be associated in college, you feel me? So we're gonna see if this hoe gets the AC approval or not, you feel me? We're gonna see that hoe pops or not, you dig? So let's get it through it, man. No more talking. In 3, 2, 1, pop. Alright, so let's get this shit popping.
Yo, rip a keg stand. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go, baby.
What the fuck?
Send it, baby. Oh, we're out here in Cali.
Them niggas wildin'.
We got the keg right here. We got Jackson with us today. We got Hamby with us today. Hey. And we got Evan, Dwarf Mamba with us.
Hey, they got the crew, man. They got the crew.
We're gonna take it into a lecture today, boys. Rip a keg stand in the lecture. Nino's getting his first workout in of his life.
Little nigga sipping on that.
Nino, bend your knees more.
Maybe.
Look at your knees. Look at the knees on the kid.
There's a table there. There's a table. I think it would break. You're right beside the table, though.
Someone signed up on the table.
No.
Bro, there's some crazy niggas, bro.
Honestly, miss, I'm so sorry to interrupt. All this UV stuff, like, it's kind of getting to me. I feel like we need like a mid-class send break right now, guys. Like, let's get a send going, like a quick mid-class send break. Let's rip some keg stands.
I'm down for that.
Cause it's good for the brain, miss. Like, quick keg stand, and then listen, guys. Right after keg stands, right back to UV. I'm serious. But quick keg stand. Jackson, you
bro,
down
she
for one?
like, what the fuck going on?
I love math and stuff. I'm passionate about it, but we gotta get a quick mid-class send break here. Let's get it. Pump it up. Legs up. Pump that shit.
That's a lot.
Woo! Let's go. Yo, one more. Who else is down? Let's go. Let's go. Come here. Let's go. Pump her up. Pump her up. Pump her up. Woo! Let's go. Do you want one, miss, or no? You okay? Okay. Let's go. Yo, guys, back to UV right now. Let's go. Back to UVs! Let's go.
That was lit, bro. That was lit as fuck.
Yo, we gotta go kill this keg now, boys. Let's go back to the house. We gotta get the fuck out of here.
I think she was low-key down to rip a keg stand. What do you guys think? I think she was down.
Bro, I would've did, bro. Them motherfuckers are gonna call it ops, man.
The guy like comes up and he starts like trying to grab my camera. Yo, bud, like don't touch my camera. Like
I would've pushed that nigga. Sit your ass down, nigga. I'm trying to learn, nigga. The fuck you mean?
He's like, yo, like you're in a class. I'm like, what are you doing? I'm like, we're filming a funny video, and I'm trying to film it at the same time. He's like trying to block
that man needs to learn a thing about respect.
So, like, dude, that guy does not respect the fucking send, eh?
Should've fucking smacked that nigga.
Alright, boys, we know we've been fucking half sending on the uploads a little bit, but
bro, them niggas always
check
lit,
our
bro.
banner.
Come
We're
on.
uploading every fucking Monday, 8:30 Eastern, 5:30 Pacific. We're back, boys. We got fucking 3 bangers stocked up already, so we're not gonna miss any Mondays. But
we're here at fucking Banks' house.
Bro.
It's a little bigger than ours, but
holy shit,
he's
man.
a fucking beauty, man. Banks fucking told us, you know, come through. You don't gotta pay for rent. You gotta do anything. Just hang out with the boys. We'll give you guys the guest house.
Airbnbs in LA are fucking. You could buy Nino's mom a new car with the amount an Airbnb costs here.
Buy a new Mazda.
I could buy a new Mazda, yeah. Banks said we could move in. We don't have to pay rent. And we get 3 rooms in the guest house, so go show Banks some love, man. Really appreciate that. Good.
Hey, good to see you guys. Good to see you. What's good, homie? What's good? 905 shooter, A, one time. Home sweet home, right? Fuck! Hey! Hey! No! No! Fucking bubbles, dude. So what's good? You fuckheads moving in or what?
I guess so, man.
You got any bags or anything, or just
Bro.
Yeah, this is all we got, bro.
That whole
place is fucking trash. What else is new? Some ragers. So yeah, you guys can do whatever the fuck you want here. Just my house is your house. Seriously, I mean it. You guys can do it again. You guys, this is we need more people doing shit, making videos, all the you know, the internet shit. You guys can take the whole guest house. There's 3 bedrooms in there, and everything else, the kitchen, the outside, everything. Where you guys can do whatever the fuck you want.
Anything?
Anything you want.
Hookers?
I mean it, bro. Anything you want. Hookers.
So wait, anything in this house?
If I don't see
if you say anything, we're gonna do anything.
Yeah. Don't fucking burn the house down, but.
Yo, Banks!
Oh,
good,
wow,
buddy?
bro. That nigga's live.
Alright, boys. Banks saying this is our house, so Jesse, let's fucking go do some shit.
Throw some I'll throw a party.
Have fun. Just don't burn the fucking house.
Whew. No fucking games out here, boys. We imported the fucking Tim's coffee. We had to bring in the Keurigs. A little more expensive, but I think it's worth it, man.
Might be in LA, but still ripping Tim's.
Alright, boys. It's a fucking wine cellar? This is a wine cellar? Is there any fucking wine in here? Probably not in this house, eh? 1 bottle of wine. Tastes like shit.
Fuck that.
Dude, how is this
I would've
whole
smacked
wine
that
cellar
nigga.
here and there's not one thing in it, bro?
I would've said,
We gotta
bro,
start
clean that
putting
shit
this
up, bro.
use that
The
thing.
fuck you doing,
Fill the
bro?
whole thing up with beers. Ronas. How many do we need?
We need a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 400 beers. These ones we have to put 3. So why don't we just order fucking 1,000 beers right now? Alright.
What?
You wanna fill this whole fucking thing up with beers?
Let's fucking do it.
Let's run it.
1 room and a whole lot of Coronas. The full send Rona room in theaters everywhere this summer.
Bro, that nigga live. Nigga live.
Sand and 2 chairs. Sand and 2 chairs. Like, no.
9-0, man. No shitting in here. This guy's gonna be in here one day taking a shit. Come on.
Bro, them niggas are live, bro. Them niggas are live, bro.
Is it cool if I sit here? Is that cool? That's a typewriter, right? Yeah. What are you doing with it? Oh no, my parents just bought me a laptop. So, it's gonna make it work, you know what I mean?
My nigga eating good. Nigga eating good, bro. Nigga on to the max.
You don't have any typewriter oil, do you?
No, I don't.
Nothing like that?
Do you know about the computers that you can just borrow for free with your green card?
I know, but I've never grew up on computers. Yeah, my parents are real old school.
Really?
Yeah.
So,
Never even been on the internet. Wi-Fi, none of that shit, man.
yeah. What do you study and stuff? Like, when you need CC?
You think that's hard, man? I can't even watch porn. You know what I mean? There's a lot of worse things than that. As long as I can type. I'll tell you that. Everyone's talking about 2 Girls, 1 Cup and shit. Never seen it. You know what I mean? They don't got that on VHS. You don't have any typewriter oil on you, do you? Nothing? Excuse me, do you have typewriter oil?
I don't know.
Do you have any? My keys are sticking like crazy. Hello, Mom. Oh my God. Yes, I'm trying fucking Granddad's freaking typewriter. It's not, I can't do it, I'm in college. No, I'm not gonna use this anymore. It's not, I need a laptop. It's 2019. No, yeah, it's not working, there's no ink.
That nigga lying. That nigga crazy, man.
I'm not Neil Armstrong, Mom. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, cool.
Bro, how can you do it with a straight face, nigga? Look at all these people there.
So simply doable. I don't feel like it's impossible. My office hours next week will be changed rather than to Thursday.
This nigga dog.
Romantic relationships, but also as we know, we have to be important to us as human beings. So we know this is a little bit loud.
What's that?
Oh, is it like a text right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I broke my laptop in like, I don't know, time.
Well,
Yeah. I can't write. Yeah.
it's just a little distracting.
Is it? Well, like, I asked my mom, but she can't buy me a new laptop, so like,
Well, if anyone's more interested,
yeah. I'm not as well off as everyone, but like, I still want to learn, right? Like, and I can't write, so.
I guess just be friends.
I'll try to be quieter. I won't disrupt. Not everyone's dad can work on Wall Street, guys, you know? Like, I'm just saying, like, so what, my dad owns a farm, like, you know what I mean? Like, farmers
Come
make
on,
money,
man.
too.
You want my laptop?
Sure.
But anyways, you guys, this is help for the show.
For real?
Move on with the lecture. But yeah, so we could just pull out for a second. I mean, please, I mean, this isn't like a...
Yeah, if you guys don't want me to learn them, like, I won't.
Damn.
No, it's fine. Like, if you guys don't want me to learn, if you guys don't want me to learn, it's fine. I won't learn. Just know you guys are all racist to farmers. Whatever, sexism, same thing. Like,
Yeah, that nigga
Such a good fucking clip. That was so good. Bro, that was... Yeah. Couldn't have gone any better. The plug.
and then they always fall for that. I'm like, whatever. Like, this is kind of racist. They're like, it's not even race-based. I'm like, sexist. Whatever. Also, boys, like we said, we're uploading every Monday at 8:30 now. So make sure you save fucking Mondays, boys. And we read your comments. You guys know we always listen to our fans. You guys said you guys don't want to see the same pranks on YouTube as you see on Instagram. So we're gonna make sure that we drop them on, like, most of the clips on YouTube first, and then we'll put them on Instagram. Always listening to the boys.
Bro, that nigga's lit, bro.
If you talking, show me what's up, got let's take away.
Bro, them niggas lit, bro. I can't wait for next Monday, but yeah, dog. That whole is lit as fuck, dog. These niggas are live and then the motherfucker, bro. They be on that crazy shit, wild shit, you feel me? These niggas, I don't know, man. I need to look for some crazy white niggas, bro, because these niggas are some on that live shit, bro, that I fuck with. And this shit gets the AC approval, dog, because that shit was funny as hell. And hopefully y'all fuck with this shit, because I fuck with it. And your boy AC out.